Hi, and welcome back to RN by Inside Learning Hub. This is Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching Manual Testing Series. We will continue discuss on a software testing methodology, and today's topic is black box testing. So let's begin. So black box testing is a form of testing that is performed with no knowledge of the system. Internal can be carried out to evaluate the functionality, security, performance, and other aspects of an application. So dynamic code coverage is an example of the automate black box security testing. Black box evaluators define test cases and interact with the app software like a user would to validate that it does what it should be, how it should. Type of black box testing are black box testing is a methodology of performing tests. So these tests can be designed to accomplish a few different goals, including functional testing. Functional testing is intended to validate that an application does what it is supposed to do. For example, functional test may test an application's authentication mechanism to check that legitimate user can authenticate successfully by invalid login. Attempts are rejected. Common type of functional testing includes sanity checks, integration testing, and system testing. And second is non-functional testing. Non-functional testing. So non-functional testing evaluate how well an application performs its core functions. Example of tests include performance, usability, scalability, and security testing. And next is regression testing. So regression testing is designed to ensure that changes to an application does not break functionality. For example, regression testing should be performed after patching a vulnerability in an application to ensure patch has not caused the application to fail functional or non-functional. Black box testing techniques with no internal knowledge of an application structure is important to ensure that the test cover all necessary cases. Some common techniques are performed. A black box evaluation includes equivalence classes testing. So an application may follow the same control flow for certain type of input. For example, an application that should only be essential to adult may terminate if a user enters an age under 18, or a tool with a limited service areas may determinate for country or postal code outside of that areas. With equivalence class testing, tester identify these classes that produce the same result and only test for one value with that classes. Second is boundary value equivalence evaluation. So boundary value are input where an application changes from one control flow to another. For example, the 17 and 18 are boundary value for adulthood, since 17 years old may be rejected by an application, while an 18-year-old would be accepted. So boundary value evaluation test these input to ensure that the system is properly handling these ages case. And next is decision table testing. An application may be designed to make decision based on a combination of input. For example, user over the age of 18 and living with a particular area may be able to access an application. So decision table testing involve enumerate each combination of the input and its expected outcome and developing a test case to validate each combinations. Next is state transition evaluation. An application may be designed to change state under certain conditions, such as locking a user account after a certain number of failed authentication attempts. So state transition evaluation involve identify these situations and developing test cases to validate them. Next is error checking. This form of evaluation test for a common error that our developer may have made when creation an application. These often revolve around input sanitization and ensuring that assumptions about an input are informed. For example, tester may check to see if developer properly handle an input of 0 in a numeric field or restrict the character set of name to the letter and symbol that can be appear in a name. I hope you understand the concept of the black box testing. To show your feedback, and please like the video and share it with your network. If you have any question and suggestion, then feel free to comment on the comment section. Thanks for your valuable time to watch this video. Thanks guys.